everyone, my name is Shelly Bakliwal and I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion videos. So if you are interested in any of these, you might want to check out my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a makeup tutorial, a makeup look actually, with just 5 products. A full glam makeup look with just 5 products. That's a lot of claims in my opinion, because a full glam makeup look takes at least 15 to 20 products. And we are doing it with just 5 products. Let's see, it is challenge for myself as well. If I can pull it off, you can too. So let's start without wasting any more time. The first step has to be a primer. For primer, I'm using this illuminating primer from Lakme. It is the Lakme Lumi cream, and to be honest, this is the product that I fell immediately in love with. And I love to use it on my bare skin without any makeup too. So I'm just going to apply it all over like a moisturizer to give my skin a glow from within look. I even apply it under my eyes to give my eyes that look that I am glowing from within and not just on my high points. It makes your skin look like you have drank like liters of water and you are eating so healthy even though you are eating just junk. I'm talking about me, by the way. Okay, now I'm using a full coverage foundation because you can literally minimize the coverage or you can build it up however you want. So I don't like and I don't need that much coverage, so I'm going to take just one pump. If you need more than that, you can gradually build it up by adding more wherever you need, like a concealer, because we are not using any concealer today. So this is the best foundation you can go for. I like to mix some some illuminating cream onto this as well, because I feel like it gives me a very nice coverage, because this is a sort of matte foundation and I have dry skin. So I'm just going to apply it on my face like that, not really focusing it anywhere, just applying it all over. I am using a damp beauty blender. This is from Pack. I'm just going to blend it like that. Make sure you are blending it under your eyes as well, because that is the most problematic area for most of us. You can go ahead and use a foundation brush as well, but I like the finish of a sponge, so I like to use a sponge only. Now you can totally leave your base like that, but I am going to use this palette all over my video. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and these colors can be used like anything. I am using this lightest shade for setting my under eyes and brightening them up. Not really setting up any other parts of my face because I don't like it. If you like to set your whole face, you can go ahead and do this step all over your face, but I don't like to, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Now I'm going to apply some color to my cheeks. For that, again, I'm using the same palette and I'm using this shade to contour my face. Now I'm going to take that on a brush. Make sure you're taking only that, and this palette is really good for that because this has really larger spaces for eyeshadows. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to mix these two, actually dust off the excess and apply it like that on your hollows of your cheeks. I'm going to blend it with my sponge also, so that it doesn't look that harsh as it is looking right now. Okay, so this is how the contour looks like. As you can see the difference, I'm going to repeat it on this side as well. As you can see, I am applying it way above my hollows because I like that lifted look. If you don't, you can apply it on your hollows as well. Apply a little bit on your forehead as well. Don't apply a lot on your forehead because you just want it to look seamless. Blending it with my sponge, adding some more here, just adding a little bit on my nose, not really picking up extra product, just like applying it whatever I have on my product. Applying some on my double chin to cover it up. I think that's it for contouring. Now we can move on to blush. For blush, I'm using just the lipstick I want to use on my cheeks. This is the Flower Beauty cream lipstick in the shade Pink Dust. I'm going to apply it directly on my face like that. Make sure you are using a cream lipstick that does not really settles down to a matte finish, because it is easy for it to be blended nicely and seamlessly, and it does not leave any streaks on your face. That's it for my blush. I don't like to apply a lot of blush, especially if I'm going with a bronzy eye look. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use this goldenish shade. I'm going to apply it on my nose with my fingers and going to blend it with the sponge. I think that's it for the face. Now we can move on to our eyes. For that, we have to do the brows first. So for that, I'm going to mix this and this shade. Make sure you are removing the extra from your brush. Now I'm just going to brush my brows first and start filling them in. As you can see, it looks perfectly fine. I'm going to repeat these steps on eyebrow as well. Okay, let's move on to eyes. I'm not going to do a lot. I'm just going to take a fluffy clean brush and going to use this light shade mixed with this light brown shade, and always dust off the excess. And I'm just going to apply it on my outer corners, flicking it outwards and inwards. I don't want extra definition to my eyes, just applying it barely there kind of look. It just gives your eyes a little bit of definition and a little bit of something. And just applying the lightest shade, from my fingers to the rest of the lid. That's it for my eyes. Take my eyebrow brush again and going to take the darkest brown shade and going to make a smallest wing. That's it, and I'm going to repeat it on this side as well. That's it for my eyes. I'm going to move on to mascara. This is my current favorite mascara. This is from Mars. It's the hashtag Fabulash mascara. It's working really nice for me. I applied just one coat because I like to keep that really subtle, and I think it looks really fine, especially in person. It looks really good. So for lipstick, again, as I told you, I'm using the Flower Beauty cream lipstick in the shade Pink Dust, and this is actually the perfect nude for me. This is something that I can call MLBB shade for me. This is all for the makeup look. I can totally go on a very big party or a wedding, or I can wear this look on a day-to-day basis as well. This is something I can call a all-time makeup look with just using 5 products. I didn't use any products other than extra brushes. So these are the 5 products that I used. So I hope you found this video helpful and you can create a very party look or a very festive look or very casual look as well with these 5 products. If you found this video helpful and if you want me to make these kinds of videos, hit that like button so that I will know that you are enjoying these kinds of videos. And if you have any other recommendations for me, you can comment down below and I will make sure that I make those kinds of videos. And if you like the vibe, if you like my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified every time I post a video, you can hit that notification bell. It will make sure that you are notified whenever I post a video. That's it for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.